Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove OneDrive account from a computer. Let's have a look now. To remove a OneDrive account from your computer, start by opening the OneDrive application. Click on Settings. In the OneDrive Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. To remove the OneDrive account from your computer, click on Unlink This PC. This action will disconnect the current account from the OneDrive application on your computer. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.